Hi, hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass. Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 17, we will learn about the Perspective Grid tool. What is the Perspective Grid tool? We will explain you in Illustrator. This is the Perspective Grid tool. With the help of Perspective Grid tool, we can view and adjust the perspective grid. Like that. When you click the perspective grid tool, one left, right and bottom direction will be one grid is coming out. This grid will be left, right and bottom. Okay, we can make some 3D model with the help of perspective grid tool. Okay, perspective selection tool. With the help of selection tool, we can select the direction of this grid, left, right, bottom. Okay, if we want to make a one design in left side, just select a left side and draw one something. I want to make one rectangle in left side, like that. We have to fill the color like that and shift to control shift to change the grid. Okay, just like control shift, change the grid. Okay, and I want right side, just go to grid perspective selection tool, right side, select right side and make a one rectangle over here. I want rectangle here. You can do like that also, or you can make here also. Change the color like that, and I want to make one bottom. Select rectangle, make a draw one rectangle and inside. Change the color black. Okay, so with the help of perspective grid tool, we can make a 3D design. Okay, and one more, I want to make a right side like that. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Select here I want. Second one is here I want. Third one is here I want. Fourth one is Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Here I want. Like that. This is down, I think. Change the color so that you can identify what is the going on. Okay, and I want same thing in right side. Go to perspective selection tool, select right, make a one rectangle like that. Arrange this rectangle in right side like that. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Like that. Like that. Like that. Change the color. Something different, so that you can identify where I have designed. This is already is given. Okay. 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 One more. Control C, Control V. Okay. Change the color. Okay. So with the help of like that. Okay. So with the help of perspective selection tool or perspective grid tool, we can make a one 3D model with the help of perspective things. Perspective selection tool, we can change the direction of this grid. Okay, so with the help of this tool, we can make a attractive 3D model for your project. So in the later we will discuss about how to make a 3D model also. So that time we will use this tool. Okay, thank you.